In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the group by feature in Monday.com. Grouping is a powerful way to reorganize your board, so related items sit together, making priorities and ownership instantly clear. Start on the home screen in Monday.com. Open Workspaces from the left side, pick the workspace that contains your board, and then open the board you want to work with. At the top of the board, click Group By. This opens the group items by panel where you choose the column that controls how your items are clustered. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to find a column quickly. Grouping by person will stack items under each owner so you can see workloads at a glance. Grouping by status will bucket items by their workflow stage, like not started, working on it, or done. Grouping by date can cluster items by date values, which is great for planning. When you pick status, you'll see column options that control how the groups are ordered. Click Order of Labels to use the label order defined in your status column. If you want the opposite, choose Reverse Order of Labels. You can also sort alphabetically with A to Z, or flip it with Z to A. These options only change the order of the groups, not the labels themselves. If you select Date, you'll get date-specific sorts. System Default uses the board's normal date logic. Reverse System Default flips that logic. You can also choose Earliest to Latest to put upcoming work first, or latest to earliest to surface the most distant dates at the top. Pick the one that best fits how your team reviews timelines. There's also a toggle called Show Empty Groups. Turn this on if you want to display groups that currently have no items. This can be helpful for planning future work or spotting gaps, especially when you're grouping by status and want to see every potential stage. A few quick tips as you use Group By. The feature only changes how you view the data. It doesn't edit or move your items. If your board has many columns, use the Search and Group Items By to jump straight to the one you need. Finally, experiment with different columns. Person, status, and date each reveal useful angles on the same information. That's it. You've grouped your board for faster, clearer decision making.